Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Ooh, kind of lagging. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can take pictures on Roblox and how you can save it to your files. So here I'm just going to take a photo. There usually is a camera setting here, and you're just going to click it, or you're going to select Alt 1. I don't know why this game doesn't have it, but if you go here and go to captures, this is where your photos will be. You're going to select your photos. I just took this one a few minutes ago, and you're just going to save it here, and it's going to be saved in your files like so. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.